Well, my name is Jimena Breton de la Torre, and I'm going to explain about what we do in our problem situation. In our investigation, we check the official version that made sense by analyzing the technical details. First, we look at F-16 engine. By using the first law of thermodynamics, we calculate the plane speed during the invasive maneuvers. The data from the flight recorded from the F-16 accelerated from March 7 or 83 kilometers to around the 102,033 kilometers with March 1.4 in just 12 seconds. We also found that the missile was still much faster. The 2K-12 Cub straight travels at Mach 2.8, which is about of 3,033 kilometers. So even enough, the pilot tried to escape to the missile was simply too fast to avoid. But also we explore other theories. Could F-16 electronicity have failed, leaving it exposed? Or could they have multiple missiles or threats that overwhelm the plane defenses? These are questions that still need more investigation, it's obvious. Nevertheless, what we learned is that the missile was so much faster that the F-16 making evasion nearly impossible. But we can rule out possibility of technical issues or a complex attack. We need further investigation to fully understand what happened. And through this investigation, I learned the key insights about the downing of the F-16 during the Bosnia War by analyzing the plane engine and applying the first law of thermodynamics to calculate if the F-16 reached a speed of 1,243 in 12 seconds while trying to evade the missile about 2K-12. The missile speed and the March 2.8 made escape impossible. And I also discovered that there could be factors at play, such as a potential failure in the plane electronic system or multiple simulation threats, while the official story holds up based on this data. These findings highlight the complexity of the modern combat and the need for the investigation in all the possible causes. Also, I think that this project is so important because we learn to use the first law of thermodynamics to prove that if it's possible or not some issue that happens in the Bosnian War, and also that for me I feel comfortable that with all the learning that our professor gave us in all the classes, I could solve this problem with using the formulas and all the investigation that we already done as a team.